Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to this 15th annual general meeting of your company. The director's report and audited accounts for the year ended 30th June 1990 to have been in your hands for some time, and with your permission, I will take them as read. Para. This is very special occasion for me, as this is the first time I have had a chance to address you after I look over the ring of the company as its chairman, which is my proud privilege. It is indeed gratifying to know that the current year has been another rewarding year for the company. The company's operation this year was a record since its inception, with the turnover reaching rupees 700 crores. Obviously, the profit of the company also increased, as is evident from the figures of profit earned during the year compared to that of last year. One of the reasons for our phenomenal success is the excellent performance of our fertilizer unit, with the introduction of scientific farming, improved seeds and modern equipments in agriculture. There is very possibility that the demand for fertilizer would double in the next year of operation. Added to this, the chairman of the company has continued the subsidies for fertilizers during the year, which has also contributed increased sales. Para. There is remarkable rise in the rate of industrial production, fall in inflation rate, increase in exports, development in various spheres of economy, and a comfortable balance of payment position. The economic reforms have thrown up new challenger of global competition, which the Indian entrepreneurs have geared themselves up to face through modernization, quality improvement, and expansion. Your company is committed to seize the opportunity offered in the liberalized environment. In order to sustain the economic growth, special emphasis is required to be given a infrastructure development and expansion. With annual industrial growth rate projected as 10% and exports and imports are at 20%, substantial increase is required in infrastructure facilities like ports, roads, railways, power, and communication for growth. With the announcement of various concessions in the financial budget for the current year, many entrepreneurs have come forward to take up the projects for infrastructure development. Para. You will be delighted to know that there has been a great increase in the net profit of the company, as it has reached a new high of rupees 90 crores. Your director have decided to share the fruits of increased growth with the shareholders and have decided to step up the dividend 20%. We have met with all the commitments to financial institutions and banks for repayment of principal amount and interest on due dates. Make the best use of favorable economic climate. Your directors have devised a well-conceived explanation plan.